Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. So today we'll be talking about the command prompt. So actually the command prompt is one of the most powerful tools that exist in Windows, but unfortunately it's not always used and most of the time ignored by Windows users. However, the command prompt is not useless. In fact, it can be very useful. So let's begin. So in order to open our command prompt, there is a shortcut for that. You have to press your Windows key with the R key all together. So you get this run box, then you type Cmd and here it is. This is your command prompt. So the first trick, let's say we want to work in as you can see here, it opens by default your user directory, but let's say that you want to work in your desktop, for example, in your desktop folder. So in order to do that, it's very simple. All you have to do is, so we're gonna open our Explorer. As you can see, here is my all the hard drive that I have. So in order to work in our desktop folder, it's very simple. All you have to do is first to type in your command prompt window the command cd, which stands for change directory. Then you simply drag and drop your directory into the window. Then you hit enter. As you can see, now we are working in our desktop folder. So it's very easy trick. If you want to work in another directory, all you have to do is to drag and drop the folder. Okay. So let's say now that you want to execute two commands at the same time. So this is the trick. All you have to do is to type your first command. Let's say, for example, dir all our text files, and we add the double empersand symbol. Then our second command, for example, let's say I want to display all the PDF that we have in our desktop. So dir *PDF. So here we have two commands that we want to execute. So we press enter. As you can see, the first command that lists all our text files. Then we have the second command that displays all our PDF file. It's very easy trick. Next, let's say that you want to copy the output of any commands to the clipboard. So it's very easy to do it. For example, let's first type dir, just simply dir. So it will list all the folders and files that exist in our desktop directory. So if you want to copy all that to your clipboards, all you have to do is to add symbol pipe, which is like a bar. Then you tap a function called clip. Clip, okay, and you hit enter. Now all the input or all the output of this command dir will be placed in the clipboard, the Windows clipboard. So if you want to say that, all you have to do is to example open notepad, for example. Okay, and you go to the menu edit, then paste. As you can see, the result of our commands is actually pasted into our notepad. So it's very useful if you want to copy and paste between your Windows and the notepad, for example. Okay, so the next trick, let's say that you want to redirect the output of any command to a text file. Also, it's very simple. Let's type our command there. Then we have to use the symbol redirector. Actually, it's a redirector, superior symbol. Then we type the name of the text file that you want to store your output. For example, let's say output.txt, and you hit enter. As you can see, file is created. If we open it, it will display the output of our commands. So we have stored all the output in our text file. It's very easy if you have a lot of content and you want to save it in a file. And our last commands, last trick, not last, before the last. Let's say you want to see all the history of the command you have just typed. Also, it's very easy. All you have to do is to type the Doskey command /history. Then you hit enter, and here you can see all the commands that you have just typed. Okay. And our final trick, let's say that you want to shut down your computer. So there is a command called shutdown. So you add -s, it means that you want to shut down your computer. Then -t, and you give the time in seconds. Let's say that you want to shut your computer in 2 minutes. Okay, so that's 120 seconds. -c, and you can display, for example, the reason why. Let's say I want to sleep, for example. I want to sleep. And you hit enter. As you can see, there is a message. You are about to sign up and shut down your computer, and here the message. So in 2 minutes from now, the computer will shut down. If you want to abort this command, all you have to do is to type shutdown again. Shutdown. But this time -a. Okay. So all the job that you just done is cancelled. So your computer will not shut down in 2 minutes. I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Until the next time, bye bye.